My name is Michael and I'm a full-time trader with true traders experience. And today I'm gonna go through my video journal and my trades on my day trading from this week. And I'll show the results. And in the end of the video, I will show what I'm looking for next week on my futures trading on the day trading. So let's go on to the charts. So first we're going to start with copper. I am day trading three different pairs, coppers, gold, and Nasdaq. And I will start with Friday and then work my way backwards until Monday. And I can say the week started badly but ended okay. So let's go to my last trade. That was Friday evening. It was a long that went into break even. As you can see here, price is going down, hitting my support level. Here we had bullish divergence. So it was an easy long. Didn't went up to my full TP, went back to break even, and it became late in the evening, so I decided just to close and break even. And the trade I had earlier this day was here. You can see price has been grinding down all day, while divergence going sideways, starting to go a bit up. Let the RSI start to go sideways and then a bit up, which created a bullish divergence bias. I gave it a good wide stop loss here because when price is going down like this and the RSI is going sideways, you never know when the price is going to stop. You have an idea, but you can't always sure. So instead of having a tight stop loss and get stopped out, catching a falling knife, then I decided a wide stop loss and a conservative GP, which was a 1.3 RR trade, which was fine. You can see after entry, price was ranging, bouncing off my support levels, but eventually went up and took the full GP. So here was the other trade. That was Thursday afternoon. Let's see here. Again, price is going down, rejecting from support, breaking my trend lines, making bullish divergence, and I longed it. Now you can, and here's an example of, sometimes trading is not fair, but again, that's a part of it. You can see I just got wigged out here with my stop loss got wigged out with just a tick, and that ended in a loss. But again, that's how it is sometimes. Sometimes you're lucky, and sometimes you're not. Again, here on cover was also Thursday. Yeah, price was going up here. I expected it to reject more from this larger trend line, from a large trend line here, and this resistance level. And price was at the moment making bearish divergence, which got invalidated as the price just continued up and took my stop loss. Also a loss. And here on Wednesday, it was a bit better. I had two wins. First one, price going down, rejecting from my support level, making here, making bullish divergence here. So I make it a little bit more clear. Yeah, and then just entry when you broke the trend line. And I had, as the price was in a downtrend, I didn't expect much from it, so I took take profit after 1.3 RNR. And later on the day, price continued down, hit the support level here, from here. Bounce off the trend line. This time I gave it a bit room to play out. I had it to go up, break some market structure, and then I entered here. Again, one big bullish divergence. And also there was around 2.6 RNR, one straight win. I wasn't greedy. You have this trend line up here. That was here where I closed the trade. So earlier, this here was Tuesday. So as you can see here, price is going up. I have my resistance level here, two of them. Entry here from rejection of the trend line of the resistance, and I was making bearish divergence from here to here. And again, I gave it a good wide stop loss, took profit, took half of the profit off here, and it went up to my break even and continued down. The last two trades I had, that was Monday. That was first two trades, but the last two I'm going to show here in copper. Again, one break even trade here, two break even trades here. No, actually, I can see the first one here. I got a little bit profit on it, but again, not much. The price was bouncing from the trend line down here, and I expected to go up a bit more, but it didn't. Sorry for interrupting the video, but if you would like our help to become profitable trader or to do it faster, then there is a link in the description about our mentorship where we can teach you to use your own strategy to become profitable, or you can learn our ways of trading. And please like and subscribe the video. So this video is already taking too long, so I'll try to be a little bit faster. So here's gold, and Monday I had 4 trades on gold. A very frustrating day. I got one loss, two small wins and a break even, but I had expected much more. So let's start with the first trade. So here you can see the price is going down and rejected from this obvious support level. Break of trend line, a good bullish candle, and I longed. Had my TP up here a little bit before the resistance level, and went back to break even and continued up. And here I shorted from this resistance level, got a little bit in profit, but it went straight to a loss. So here, price rejection of this trend line here, an old trend line, and we had a good bearish divergence. So I shorted here when they were about to break the trend line, and I got my TP here at this trend line from this point and this point, and it continued up to break even. So it was a little win, half win you can say. And then my last trade, break of trend line here, shorted immediately. Also it took resistance, and the same trend line here, it also rejected from. It went down here a good bit in profit, maybe 1.5 hour. I didn't take profit, but it went back to break even as I moved my stop loss to break even. And let's continue with gold. Next gold trade was the day after Tuesday. So here, price is starting to range a bit, and broke trend line here. So I shorted on the way down, took 50% off, or half off in profit around here at this resistance area, and I closed my trade down here. So the next trade of the day for Tuesday, that was a bad trade. I only had one confluence. That was rejection of this resistance over here with this fine wick, bearish wick here. But the price didn't really move much into profit. Actually, I don't think it was in anywhere in profit anytime. Straight up to my stop loss and a loss. So let's go on to the next trade on gold for that week. Have to go to, what was the next one? That was Thursday. Here, see prices in an uptrend, dancing of rejection here from this trend line, starting to do a ranging while making bearish divergence here. Again, you can see this wick here, just rejected from the trend line, very good rejection from this trend line. And I shorted on the way down, and price was ranging, and around here, I think actually it was here, from this wick here, I took some profit off. I didn't close it, took some profit off, and it went up to my stop loss in break even. Next trade was still Thursday here. Here I was too greedy. I didn't take profit, so it was a break even trade. But as you can see here, I have this trend line here. When it broke the trend line, making bearish divergence from this ranging, from this going up ranging, Yeah, and a decent short, but again, no taking profit, so break even. And that was my last gold trade for this week. Let's go directly to Nasdaq. Nasdaq, I also didn't have so many trades on this week, so we will try to do it a bit. So this here was my first trade on Nasdaq. That was a break-even trade. So the next one, I have to go all the way to Friday, I think. Yeah, here. Friday had two very good trades. You can see here, price made a good rejection here on Wednesday, pullback Thursday, made this head and shoulder pattern, which indicated for me that price would continue up. There was a good bullish bias. So here, a good rejection from the support level here. And we had bullish divergence, break of this small trend line here, and the trade continued up. I took this trade on two accounts. The first one was a 1.75 INR straight to profit, and it continued up here. So yeah, that was a very good trade. I posted both entries in our Discord. So yeah, here I had to shut down my laptop because I need to do something else. I shut it down on this red candle, and a few minutes later it just pumped up. But that is what happens. This trade here was a break-even trade, break of trend line, bearish divergence, and it took my stop loss here. You can see here my stop loss in break even with just a tick, and then it continued down. But that is trading sometimes, and yeah, just something we have to deal with. That was my day trading for this week, and it was an okay week, profitable wise. There were some mistakes that I need to look at, so I hope not to repeat them too much in the future. If you want to see how I am trading with divergence in a more specific way with some examples, you can click on the video on the top. And in there, I also go through how I use alerts because in the day I'm working with other stuff in front of my computer, so I don't have time to sit and watch the charts all the time. And I'm using the alerts to get the attention to when a potential trade is soon coming, and then I place an alert to see when there is a good entry point. And thank you all for listening. I'll see you again on the next video.
Tell them how you're feeling,